everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a really different type of project. This is going to be a arts and crafts project. It's called the lighting cloud and it's a very simple yet easy project. So let's get into it and start. Alright, so let's get started. The materials we need for this project are some normal cotton balls that you can find anywhere, a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks, some LED lights. I'm using LumaStrip peel and stick LED lights. These are 16 colors that you can have, but it's totally optional. You can also use normal fairy lights or normal Christmas lights that you might use anytime, but this is just what I'm using. I will also provide more information what I'm actually using. Next, the last thing that we're going to need is a bottle. You can use any bottle you want. I have a drinking bottle here and a normal bottle that just contains fruit drinks in here. So you can use anything. I'm just using this because it's a little stronger than this one, which is very thin. So let's get started. The first step is to take your bottle, clean your glue gun. Wait, you have to first actually take some cotton balls and get them out so it's easy for you to access them. And then the second step is, this is just what's going to be covered the entire time. So, here, just add a little bit of hot glue everywhere. And while you're adding the cotton, you want to make sure you spread it out like this, not just the normal balls. Right here. So as you see, this just forms a very fluffy texture. Do that for the others too. And right now I would actually tell you to first spread them out and then glue them. So back again, I'm done. I have all these fluffed all out, and these are just pieces that I just opened up and put them like this. We're going to be using these later on though. This is a cloud that we have gotten so far. It looks pretty good. The only part, I have covered it all the way around. The only part here is the back side, which we are going to cover in a different technique. But now, the next step is to create a hole or something like this right here. I created this using a part of the hot glue, and you can also, like I did, use some kind of metal rod and then put it on a stove and use the heat from there to create that area. And this is just a brief measurement of how big the actual strip might be when you connect it, because the strip is gonna be coming out of here. Alright, so now this part is done. Now the main step is I'm just going to flip it back and attach Alright, yeah. So previously I opened up some cotton strings. I just wrapped it all out, just like this. Yeah, and then just unwrap it. Just like that. Right, so I'm gonna be gluing this out right here. Now this part you don't have to make it fluffy because you won't be able to see it. It's gonna be on the back side. Now I'm just gonna be closing back out with the lid. That would be done later. Now we are gonna be using the Luma strip that I have right now, or any light that you have. So this is exactly what's inside. And the light strip and the remote control. Alright, so here I like about it is the remote control. Anyway, so every light. Alright, so I have plugged everything in and
heading down Cali, driving round with my baby. Top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy.